Hello. Everybody was asking how I put the fish line on the frame for support after I put my starter strip on. So I'm John from Debbie's Hunting Hive. So I take and we got the holes in the end. And it's just simple. Just thread it through. Thread it through one. Yeah, it's coming off the reel. And somebody asked why 20-pound test. Well, that's what's on the fish pole when I go fishing up Cape Cod for stripers. So I'm going to change the line on this one anyway for this season. Well, that's a good place to use it up. I just thread these through like that. So we got two lines running here. Just take it. Tie a knot. Pull it tight. And if you tie a second knot, see that'll still slip. But if you tie the same exact knot again, it will slip but lock. Like that. And then you tie the third knot to make sure it doesn't come loose. Like that. And then you snip it. And you snip it. And when you're done, you should have a honey frame banjo. And that's it. Thanks for watching.